Welcome to The Hague, the political capital of the Netherlands, located on the shores of the North Sea. From regal palaces to vibrant city life, The Hague is a mosaic of experiences waiting to be explored. Hey there, I'm Axel Vanderdonk, CTO at Bao Living. Today I'm thrilled to walk you through the details of our latest endeavour in the Netherlands. Here on the Nassau Dillenburgstraat, just outside the city centre, we have breathed new life into two charming apartments in this townhouse in collaboration with our partner, Spectrum Invest. Guided by a commitment to preserving and accentuating the architectural elements of this period property, we meticulously designed two different SAMs. The flexibility of SAM is on show in this project, as the two flats have vastly different layouts, yet share the same Bao Living flair. Despite vastly different layouts of the two flats, we successfully fitted both with nearly identical kitchens with ample countertop and overhead storage space. Next to this, we've even seamlessly integrated a cooker faucet and instant boil tap, a real first for an SAM kitchen. The bathrooms for this project are very different in terms of design. One is within the SAM as per usual, whilst the other is separate from our furniture. A necessary step away from our building method to deliver the best design. Implementing backlit mirror cabinets was a given once again, providing the perfect indirect lighting for the space. The bedrooms for both SAMs have each been fitted with plenty of storage space. The apartment at the back has been given added functionality with the integration of our new home office module. With its extendable desk and built-in sockets, this new feature is a great way to get the most out of this compact space. And there you have it, another SAM to add to the ranks and new flats out for rent. This project challenged the versatility of SAM, but shows how we can tailor it to any space and provide a truly circular integration of utilities in the renovation of a period townhouse.